about buying a house? Well, today I'm going to go over all the benefits about owning a home in today's market. Guys, one of the main benefits about owning a home is that you can control your monthly payments in comparison to you renting, that every year the rent might go up or down. But when you're buying a house, you have a consistent monthly payment that you pay, and you're actually paying to own the home yourself. You're not paying for someone else's mortgage. Guys, another benefit about investing in the property is that it has been proven over time that homes normally go up in value the longer you hold it. So by you investing in the property today, it's almost guaranteed that you will make your money back. Guys, the benefit number 3 about investing in the property is that you can refinance. Guys, let's say you bought a home with 6% interest this year, and then next year the interest rates are 3%. By refinancing, you can lower your interest rates, and let's say the value of your home went up, you might be able to also get some money back. So remember, the best time to buy a home is now, because there's always options like refinance down the road. Guys, one of the best things about also owning a home is that your credit is going to improve immensely. Buying a home is one of the best ways to improve your credit. And also, when you're investing in a home, you're not only investing in yourself, but you're investing in the future of your family. You're going to leave this home to generations to come, and they will always remember that you made a great investment, and this was not only for you, but for them in the future. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can make more videos like this. And if you don't have a realtor, please make sure to contact me, and me and my team will assist you and guide you through the process. Follow my socials and we'll stay in touch. Thank you, take care.